It's about a feeling. So there's two types of videos that you guys could probably make today and that you guys probably see all the time, right? To me, I'm calling these timeless and memes. Oh shit, my bad. Just to give a little context, I'm gonna show a video from neistat. This is like a timeless video from like the past that I always go back to watch. That I'm like, when I'm like super lost and I'm like trying to make like a banger video for myself, I'm like, fuck, I don't know where to start. And I watch this video all the time, just because it like gives me a good framework to make a good video. We'll just watch a little bit of it.
I'm getting a ticket for riding my bike not in the bike lane. I'm doing the world a favor riding my bike. It's pouring rain out here. Yeah, look at this. Look at these assholes. Look at this guy. Double park right here in a bus lane. We're not giving him a ticket. What's the plan?
You're a bicyclist, so it's anywhere from $10 up to $130. Right? But it's a bicycle stuff. The bicycle stuff is not riding the bicycle.
You know,
Yeah, we won't watch too. If you want to watch the rest, it's a very good video. Like, it's just got storytelling all over it, and not only that, it's just like it's just a feeling, and he conveys it so much through just like these like not so produced like stuff. Probably shot on like a small little camera. But so this video was posted 12 years ago, and I put a screenshot of this comment that was posted a year ago, saying this never gets old. For the last 10 years, I keep rewatching every now and again. Every now and then, right? So that's like an example of like a timeless video that some people make. And I want to show you another example of like a timeless video right now that people are making that hasn't been around for a long time, but like you can just tell like people are gonna find it and like, yo, like this is some gems. This is Natalie Lynn.
I didn't know it in this moment, but everything was about to end. I know nothing in life is meant to last forever. Everything eventually ends in one way or another. And that's the beauty of it all.
Right, so I posted another comment on this one, or screenshot it. So now, can you guys read that? I'll just read it out. So Natalie, I'm so late to your story. I've just come across you yesterday on Thanksgiving, but I'll say I'm thankful I did. I watched every video on your channel, oldest to newest, and I'm glad I did. Felt like I was on this journey through life with you, living through your eyes, your travels and experiences. It's pretty obvious that, you know, like what this video like meant to this person and what this video is gonna mean for the next person that finds it. So when we talk about like memes, you know, sometimes it's not like, it's just, memes are just like for things that are a generational time period. I'll just show you in the next slide.
We work at Salesforce. Unfortunately, I work in the tallest building in San Francisco. It's hard to find a way to work. We work at Salesforce. Of course, we know all of our characters.
How many of you guys seen this video?
Who's that?
Okay, cool. Or how many of you guys seen this, how many of you guys seen this, like, this template, this reel? Okay, cool. And how many of you guys actually tried to go do that? I know you guys did. I'll show another one. How many of you guys remember this one? All right, cool. Yeah, so let me just ask, like, so what made that, what made any of those two good to you guys?
Everyone did that.
Oh shit, was it?
Just like a current trend. Yeah, it's a current trend, so it's nice to see it in different formats.
Right. What about you?
Yeah, everyone was doing it, so it was kind of, there was this urgency to participate,
Right.
and people who executed it well, it was like great.
Right.
It was just familiar enough, but not too unfamiliar. When something is completely new, I just feel there's more things to like understand.
Right. Do you guys think that it's? Oh, go ahead.
I was going to say something similar, but I'd say it's like a template that you've seen, so you're like willing to watch more because you kind of know what you're going to get. But like for example, like you just kind of know what you're going to get when you see that kind of video, so you're willing to like watch more.
Right.
Only when you've seen a few like right in the same time period.
Yeah. Let me ask you guys. Like, do you guys think there's like a? Like, do you think memes are bad, or like, do you think there's like a right or wrong like a video to do for whatever context? No. Yeah. So I think, they both serve a purpose. They're both trying to tell you something, right? Like memes are a very good way to just get it out the way in a very humorous or sometimes a serious way, right?